I want you to hear something. Watch what happens when I clap. There's the turkey in there somewhere. Hold on. Can you see him? I'll try to move the camera up. Alright, watch this. Ready, Brownie? On your mark. Get set. Wait. Oh, I'm being attacked by ghosts. Come on. Yippee! On your mark. Get set. Listen to the turkey. On your mark. Get set. Go! Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? One more time. On your mark. Get set. Go! See, the turkey can't clap, so he does the gobble gobble. I love that. He does that with a lot of other noises too. Alright, we're going to move back over here because